Ayan, welcome sa taas ng ating Alexa Ready for Occupancy house. So over here, we have 3 bedrooms. So, 1 bedroom, this is the master's, the biggest one. And then another bedroom over here. And our common toilet and bath. Ayan. So, for the common toilet and bath, again, for the shower area, it's already tiled na siya. We have our toilet and our sink. And for the bedroom naman, ganito yung finish nila ng flooring. It's vinyl na parang naka-wood design. And ang maganda dito, again, complete finish, may division na tayo. FYI, yung division nila dito is board finish. Pero yung pinaka-pundasyon naman ho is buhos ho ito, solid concrete. And again, complete na siya with provision na rin ng saksakan for your air-conditioned units. This one is already